Changbai Mountains, the highest mountain system on the eastern edge of Eurasia.
长白山其实概括来说就是冰和火共同作用的结果。
Glaciation and volcanic eruptions jointly shaped Changbai Mountain. Now, protecting its ecosystem has become a concern.
湿度50%，这30多米呢。
我们不希望我们所有的动物最后全都变成化石。
保护长白山对这个生态和自然的保护十分的重要。
So, what changes are happening now in the Changbai Mountain?
中华秋山鸭过去呢数量呢没有这么多，现在每年就在这繁殖100多只。
环境好了，觉得游客自然而然就变多了，游客多了，我们生意就好了。
This young anthropologist from Serbia is embarking on a journey deep into the Changbai Mountain, meeting different people and gaining new knowledge. The story about the ecological protection is slowly unfolding. At the research station of Kass, at the foot of Changbai Mountain, a small academic conference is being held. Marta is listening carefully to the presentations by experts.
My journey at the Changbai Mountain started with the introductory presentations held by the director and the senior researchers of the Chinese Academy of Sciences Research Station Forest Ecosystems.
Director Dai of the research station took the scholars to learn about their fieldwork in the forest. This is Marta's first time entering Changbai Mountain Nature Reserve.
In 1960, the natural reserve of the Changbai Mountain was established. The Chinese Academy of Sciences initiated a project to discover what is the ecological potential of the Jinlin province. The results of the investigation showed that the most suitable place to establish a forest ecosystem protection station would be the Changbai Mountain, with its highest peak being over 2,600 meters.
Sheng Zhaohui is a local retired expert. In order to know more about Changbai Mountain, Marta went deep into the hinterland of the forest with him.
东北亚大陆海拔最高的山系，我们现在站的这个地方就是长白山滇池。
The whole scenery that we can witness today came to be about 1,100 years ago, after a volcanic eruption.
Except for volcanic eruptions, there is another important reason for the formation of Changbai Mountain.
火山作战完了以后，冰川就开始发生作用了。这个整个 U 型峡谷就是冰川刨出来的。冰火共筑长白山，火就是火山爆发，它形成了长白山山体。冰呢，就是冰川活动。
10,000 years ago, at the time of the fourth ice age, at the top of the mountains, everywhere were glaciers.
当时的冰川活动呢，就把长白山北坡的这一块刨成了一个 U 型的谷地。
As Mr. Shen said, Changbai Mountain is a song of ice and fire. There's also a group of people whose job concerns fire. Louis Guifu is the captain of the Forest Fire Brigade. Today he led Marta on a journey into the lives of these forest warriors.
Mr. Lau, he explained to me how their fire protection station works. So there are about 50 fire protection stations in the whole Jinlin province, and there are 3 on the Changbai Mountain. So if the fire is on the ground, they have one set of instruments. If the fire is on the woods, on the trees, up there they have also hoses with water, which can go up to 30 meters.
Fully equipped forest firefighters are together with Changbai Mountain guarding this charming forest day after day.
我们这个工作也十分的辛苦，我们有信心、有责任，做好今年秋季防火工作。
The ecological protection of Changbai Mountain has led to more and more wild animals. A beautiful local wild duck caught Marta's attention.
你好，你好，你好，你好。
Piao Longgong, an ecology expert who is fascinated by the Chinese merganser, is excitedly telling Marta about their observations this year.
他们就互相的，它的树立羽毛啊，你看这公的、母的。
The Chinese merganser is the oldest wild duck in China. It has lived on the earth for more than 10 million years. They have extremely high requirements of their living environment.
你能下吗？
能。
能啊，好。慢点啊，慢点，慢点。哎，这个地方好，去年我这有个食物挺多，那我今年还来。如果说今年没有了，没有鱼了，哎，这不行，那就走了，要换地方。这里边呢，现在这个鱼类也多了。 还有食物也多了，这样呢，这苏沙鸭的它生存这个环境也就是已经提高了。
Marta was touched by Piao's enthusiasm for the Chinese merganser. How about the local people? How are they doing?
你好
Hello.
Her name is Li Ping. Native born and raised, she followed her father to pick ginseng in the forest since she was a child. Now she runs a small shop selling local specialties.
天麻可以像头疼啊、四肢麻木啊，主要是对神经性头疼比较好一些。
我觉得就是说，以后长白山我感觉会越来越好。现在的游客也变多了嘛，就是生态环境好了，无论是大人孩子都喜欢这种亲近大自然的感觉。
1,100 years ago, a volcanic eruption covered forest in Changbai Mountain with 50 meters of volcanic ash.
你看我们现在很奇怪，它的恢复完全按照原来的垂直分布恢复的。
From complete destruction to full restoration, Changbai Mountain embodies the power of nature. It's mysterious and amazing.
Sometimes we want to develop our ecological practice and the protection of environment, but in order to do that in the appropriate way, we need to understand how the nature preserves and regenerates itself.
The Quaternary glaciation, which brought tundra vegetation from the Arctic, also led to China having a unique high-latitude tundra zone in its middle latitudes.
整个太原带的群落，它是主打的，它是主要的，就是北纬40度以上，长白山的生物多样是最丰富的，这是科学家公认的，所以它这个地方的价值是无价的。
Marta's journey to Changbai Mountain allowed us to see the power of nature and human efforts. Ecosystem and biodiversity protection of the Changbai Mountain is still in progress. Well, it's always in progress.
I think that this research station has potential for both preserving and helping develop ecological protection plans at the Changbai Mountain. I think that it also has a very important research contribution and value on the international scale.
除了科学家以外，自然保护工作者，他们第一代、第二代、第三代，现在开始第四代，4代人也在这儿保护着长白山，守护着这一片净土。
现在我认为，明年呢，力度继续上去的话，长白山自然保护区这个赤沙鸭的繁殖地，它应该来说呢，越来越好。